Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yogesh and I have started this programming series for everyone who wants to build a career in Java development. This series will help you to understand concepts clearly, thoroughly through the practical examples. Covered important programs that are frequently asked in Java interviews, making this series very useful for both freshers and experienced developers. So we will start with basic programs and gradually move towards more complex programs and the real world examples. Today we will cover how to concatenate two lists using Java 8 Stream. So without wasting any more time, okay, we don't have any class here. Let's create a class, new class. For that we will create a package dot practice dot basic programs. Class name would be concatenate list demo. Okay, then let's create a class. Yeah, the class has been created. So we will create a list to integer list. So let's you need to press control space, then this list will populate. Just enter. For the importing classes we have to specify integer here. Let's take list1 first, equal to arrays dot as list. So arrays is the utility class, and as method as list will convert into the list. Okay, so let's take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's take a random integers. So we will create second list as well. List of integer list 2 equal to arrays dot add list. So suppose 40, 50, 60. Okay, in first list we have 5 elements and in second list we have 3 elements. Okay, so let's convert the list into the stream. Stream is the class which is having concat method. Okay, and we have list1 dot stream. If you want to perform any stream operation, we have to call stream method on the list. That's why I have called stream method on the list1. Same thing we'll have to do for list2 as well. List2 dot stream. Okay, here we have performed concatenation operation with the concat method, and I just wanted to print the elements. Okay, we can use forEach method to print the values. Okay, so forEach System.out println. So here I have used forEach method. System is the class, out is the print stream object which is defined inside a system class, and here we have used method reference with double colon, and this is the method which actually print the elements. Okay, let's run the program. Let me save first. Okay, let's run it. Yes, if you can check the list, that is, so this is how we can just concatenate two list and print it. I hope you have understand this. Let's modify the program. Now my problem statement is I don't want any duplicate. Okay, I want unique values. In that scenario, what can I do? Stream API provides the distinct method you have to call on the stream, and then it will remove all the duplicates and you will get unique elements. Okay, so I will call here distinct. If you call the distinct method, you'll get unique values. Okay, let me run this. Okay, if you can check, yeah, we have printed only unique elements. Now we will take one more example. Like my problem statement is I want to combine the list. Duplicate should be removed, and I wanted to sort element according to the ascending order. In that scenario, how can we implement this? So we need to implement dot sorted method on the Stream API. Once you sort it, you'll get the elements. But it seems like it is already in ascending order. So let's try this. We have just modified the list. Now we will run the program again. Yeah, if you can check, the elements are sorted in the ascending order. My new problem statement is I want all the element in descending order. In that scenario, how can we implement? Okay, for this we need to implement comparator inside a sorted method. Okay, so comparator is the interface. Comparator reverse order. Inside a comparator, we have to call the reverse order method. If you implement a reverse order, or we have called this, then you'll get all the elements according to the descending order. Okay, let's check out whether it is printing or not. If you can check, 60, 70, 60, the number has been printed in the descending order. Next problem statement is okay, my requirement is I don't want to just print the values. I want to collect those values in another collection. In that scenario, how can we do that? We have to create one more list of integer. Let's give the name merge list. Merge list equals to Stream.concat list one dot stream list two dot stream. We have implemented concat method on the stream dot. We'll have to get the distinct element, then sorted. Okay, initially we will put in ascending order. Okay, we have to call the collect method if we want to store those elements in another collection object. Okay, so collect collectors dot to list. Okay, collectors is also an interface. We have a method in to list, so the method will convert into the list. Okay, and we have store the list in merge list. If I wanted to print this, then I can simply print like out merge. Okay, merge list. Okay, if I wanted to print this, then okay, we will put a segregation here. See, in the merge list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have merged the list. Okay, and what if I want the list in descending order? In that scenario, you can just implement comparator, as I explained earlier, comparator dot reverse order. You have to implement the reverse order method here. Okay, and then you need to just implement the list in descending order. Okay, okay, I hope you understand. So let's take one more example. Okay, so this is for this was for the integer. Let's try for the string. List of string str list one is equal to arrays dot as list. Arrays dot as list, for example, 3 elements, and the inside a list of second list string str list 2 is equals to arrays dot as list. In second, say suppose let's apply stream method, stream dot concat. Okay, so str list one dot, we have to apply stream method, then that list will be converted into the stream, and then you can perform any operation if you which you want. Str list 2 dot dot stream dot, okay, dot okay, let's print once System.out println. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, I can see I have printed. Okay, let's perform some operations on it. Let's My first problem statement is I wanted to print only unique values. Okay, in that case I need to call the distinct method. Okay. If I call distinct method, then let's check it out whether I'm getting unique values or not. Okay, yeah, I can see I'm getting only unique values. Okay, so this is for the distinct. Okay, and what if I the next problem statement is I wanted to print all the values in distinct as well as in a sorting manner. So in that case I wanted to call sorted method. All the elements will be arranged in the ascending order. Okay, let's run this. Okay, Angular, C, Java, JavaScript, and Node.js. I hope this is fine. Okay, and then second, if I wanted to print all the elements in descending order, then simply we have to call comparator.reverse order. If I call this reverse order, then all the elements will be printed in the descending order. Okay, as expected. Okay, so this is how we can implement this. Let's collect in another stream object, that is string, and combine list. Okay, combine list is equal to Stream.concat str list one dot stream. We have to apply stream method on the collection object str list 2 dot stream. Okay, then we have to simply call the distinct so that we will get unique values. Then we have to call the sorted method, and then we'll have to call dot collect method so that collect method can collect the list into another list. Okay, collectors.toList. So toList method we need to call, and we have to just simply print the combine sorted list. Okay, combine list. Okay, let's run. Okay, combine list will be Angular, C, Java, JavaScript, Node.js. Okay, let's print the list in the descending order. Comparator reverse order. Okay, check it out. Yeah, I can see the list has been printed in descending order. So today we have learned how to concatenate two lists using Java 8 stream with integer and string examples step by step. If you found this video is very helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you want more advanced Java 8 stream examples.